Okay, bonus video. I've whipped up a quick circuit with some external LEDs. So if we look at the circuit I've got here, I've got digital pins D2, D3 and D4 linked across with jump cables over to the breadboard here, and then I've got an LED to each pin. The positive end goes to the CPU. The negative end of the LED is going through a 260 ohm resistor, I think it is, something like that, because these are quite bright LEDs and need quite a bit of current, and the processor is capable of supplying enough. And then the other side of these resistors goes to the 0 volts or ground signal, and then ground is linked back just off screen here through another cable back over to the ground pin on the Arduino. So basically, by turning on the digital output, we supply current to the LED and the LED lights up. So this one, the blue one, is using a cadence known as wink, which is on nearly all the time, and then it just winks out at the last minute. And then the red one next to it here is using a cadence known as blip, which is mostly off, but then he just blips on for one bit right at the end. And the green one here is flashing out the Morse code for SOS. So, dit dit dit, da da da, dit dit dit. And I'll show you how I did that in the code. So back on the desktop, I've just modified the program we had in the last video. The first thing I've done is to open this cadence namespace and to define a new cadence called SOS. So there's my SOS pattern, and that is true. The timing is accurate for Morse code, all except it should have I think 7 bits between words. So SOS, there should be 7 bits here, and there are only 5. So a Morse code purist will probably complain at me for that, but the rest of the timing is all good. We have our same cadence manager as before, which we called LED manager. We have our same built-in LED. I don't know if you noticed on the shot of the Arduino, the built-in LED is still doing the double blip of the heartbeat. And we have added 3 new indicators called external blue LED, external red LED and external green LED. Original names there, but they do the job. And digital pins 2, 3 and 4 are being used as the outputs, and the cadences are wink, blip and SOS. There we go. In the setup, we add all the indicators to the cadence manager into LED manager, and notice I haven't set any of the pin modes here because I double checked and the library does do that for us. So I have taken that out. And then in the main loop, we've just still got this one call to ledmanager.loop, and that's all you need to do to get all those LEDs flashing like that, and they will just keep on going forever until the program stops. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that little bonus. Until the next one, I've been Tim from Tiger Astronomy. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.